Today I will tell inventions and inventors. Adding machine, Pascal, aeroplane, Orville and Wilbur Wright brothers, air conditioning, carrier, airplane, Owen, airship, Henry Gifford, atomic bomb, J. Robert Oppenheimer, ballpoint pen, John Lowe, battery, Alexander Volta, barometer, Evangelista Doris Early. Bicycle, Kirkpatrick Macmillan, bicycle type, John Boyd Dunlop, Bunsen burner, or William von Bunsen, burglar alarm, Edwin T. Holmes, camera, Walker Eastman, car steam, Nicholas Cugno, car petrol, Carl Benz, Castile, Sony Cinema, Nicola Saint, Jane Lumeri, mechanical clock, I hissing, Liam Ling, Itchen, rock pendulum, Christian's Huygens, compact disc, RCA, compact disc player, Sony Philips, computer, Sinclair, computer mini, digital probe, dynamo, hypolite fixie, diesel engine, Rudolph diesel. Electric lamp, Thomas Alva Edison, electrometer DC, Zenobi Grammy, electric motor AC, Nikola Tesla, electric washing machine, Alva J. Fisher. Thank you everyone.